Hey there, YouTube. Doing a little update vlog. So it's cold in Minnesota, so I polyed half the garage. I got a little section over here to do, and back there. Finishing that off, but it's keeping it warmer in here already. So we've already done the ceiling and stuff, but I've broke the heater out for the first time, so I could be out here filming some stuff. So yeah, updates. Project Subaru, obviously in the works. It's always been in the works, but we're getting the engine soon. We're in the budget for it. Walkie fan on the heater back there keeps it moving around. Next step is the wife's car needs some TLC. So 2010 Traverse. It's time for tires. Time for an alignment. Time for those control arms to be put in up back there. So get you off my mug, and you can see we have got them off Amazon actually, just because I'm installing myself. But Destination LE2s from Firestone, 255, 65, 18. Decent tire. Not the there's obviously more tires, but I got these for 122 a piece. Good date codes on them, everything. So they'll roll nice. Get around in the winter real nice. But yeah. So with those, we got control arms to do and an alignment. Rear control arms are out of spec. So there's that. And coming soon to the YouTube channel, we are going to have more lights installed. Ooh. But coming soon, 2010 Traverse, so the 2008 to, I think it's 14, 15, 16, I think it's 16. 16 Traverse. Buick Enclave, GMC Acadia, Saturn Outlook, whichever one falls in that category for that body style. We're going to be doing a spark plug change to them. You guys seem to like the spark plug videos. You gotta pull the intake off. It's not that hard. Everybody says, oh, I gotta take half the engine apart. No, you don't. You gotta take the intake off. It's super easy. So, I'll showcase how to do that. But the wife's car has got a P0 306, 301 on cold startup. Happens occasionally. It's just due for plug. It's 115,000 miles. So, let's do it. And guys, I've been doing oil changes, doing stuff. No timing chains yet. No timing chains. You change your oil, maybe I broke the code. Follow those damn oil change guidelines in your car, you're just asking for trouble. But that is pretty much for the vlog of today. Can't wait for the Subaru engine, and then maybe I will take a sneak peek out here. We have the MR2. So that carcover.com car covers, keeping her nice and intact while I wait to well, she awaits work, but this will be in the garage soon. So I can't wait to start making more videos. I'm in talks with some sponsors, maybe not. But yeah, I'm happy with the channel, where we're going, and lots more stuff. And Piston Broke will be back soon, guys. We got to do some videos on that. But Brett's Honda, definitely on the list. So let's get to it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like the vlogs. Let me know if you do. I'll do more of them. I liked talking to you. And I got a haircut for you guys finally, so I haven't been showing my face so much because I'm tired of working so much that I didn't have time to take care of the giant mullet. But you guys always comment on my hair when it gets too long, so it's cut for you. So we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Subscribe to the channel. You have a lot more.